Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a shrimp and farro salad. So amazing, so delicious. And if you've never worked with farro before, I've actually already cooked it up. So this is 1 cup of farro, and you just cook it to the directions. It's basically 2 cups of water. You bring it to a boil, put the farro in, set it down to medium low, let it cook about 25 minutes, just till all that water is absorbed. Absolutely delicious. It's actually an ancient grain. It's great for digestion. It's full of fiber, full of protein. But for you vegetarians out there, great way to boost your protein. So I love this. You could use it in the morning for like a breakfast cereal. You could make it as a hot. You could make it as a cold salad. It's just so versatile. I just absolutely adore it. So right now I've got my skillet over like a medium-high heat. I've got 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. If you're gonna buy your shrimp, please buy it wild caught. Don't buy that farm raised. It's just not good for you. And it's also not really helping the real fishermen out there, right? So this is peeled, deveined. Also the tails are off. I don't like going to eat my food and then having to deal with the tail. So you can buy it however you like, but just call me a lazy eater. Again, the oils can be part of my dish today. So I want to use a really good olive oil. So I've got a couple tablespoons gonna go in. Gonna let this get nice and hot. And then I've already got all my other ingredients prepped, but this is such a beautiful salad. Just eyeball, you just gotta wanna eat this. Okay, so the pan's all hot. I love this seasoning. Of course, it's my all-purpose seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle this all on top. It's packed with flavor. You could literally just put salt and pepper on these and you'd be good to go, but I'm just gonna give this a little shake all the way around, get them coated. The great thing about shrimp too is they cook so quickly. So this is great for a weeknight meal. So these are gonna go in the pan. They're gonna cook about 1.5 minutes per side. Let's just get them all in there. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper. Going on just a tad. The seasoning has it in there too. And then just a little bit more of the seasoning. Gonna go on over. My seasoning has salt in it, so that's why you're not seeing me put any extra salt on there. I would probably say about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and you'd be fine. Okay, I'm just gonna get these out spread evenly. And you know, the great thing too with shrimp is people worry about, you know, cholesterol, but this really has good cholesterol in it. Has a lot of HDLs. It's actually a great thing for you to eat. It's low calorie, so you don't have to feel guilty about the salad tonight. Okay, so just gonna give these a nice flip. I love shrimp. You could actually cook up a bunch of these too. You can make like a shrimp cocktail, right? Have some in your refrigerator for the next day. But yeah, this is just a lovely weeknight meal. I like things like this that are you can come home to, you can make, doesn't take too long, right? We're all tired at the end of the day, right? But you know you're putting something delicious and healthy on the table for your family. So just gonna let these cook again for about another minute, 1.5 minutes. They take about 3 to 4 minutes total. And then we're gonna get the salad assembled. All right, so let's make the dressing for this delicious salad. So I've got 1 lime, just gonna juice it on up in here. I love the smell of citrus. It's so good. Packed with vitamins, right? Lots of vitamin C in there. Gonna add just a little bit of rice vinegar. Just about 1.5 tablespoons. Gonna add in a couple tablespoons of honey. And we're gonna add in about 1/4 cup of the good olive oil. So just let it glug on in there. And I'll write down all these measurements for you. Okay, just about right. I'm also gonna put in just 1 clove of garlic. I love these microplanes, just right over the bowl, get it in there. This sauce is gonna be packed with flavor. It's a great summer side dish. Great light meal. Bring it to your next barbecue. So I'm gonna add just a tiny pinch of salt. A little bit going in, and then just a little bit of ground black pepper. Just gonna give this a little whisk. And this would be delicious just on a regular salad. Nice light vinaigrette. Gonna go into the farro. And then I'm gonna add all my fabulous ingredients. So this is a half of a mango I've got diced up. Mangoes are fabulous. They are full of fiber, they're full of vitamin C. Like one whole mango will give you like 65 or more % of your vitamin C for the day. It's got packed with vitamin B's, got folate in there. It's just good stuff. Also, again, for our vegetarian friends out there, mangoes actually help absorb and hold on to iron. So it's really an important grapefruit. I have half a red bell pepper diced up. This is a couple tablespoons of diced jalapeno. This one wasn't very hot. If it was, I probably would have used less. So it's just kind of like to your own tolerance. We do like things a little bit spicy. You could absolutely omit it. This is 3 scallions sliced up. And I've got about a half a bunch of cilantro all diced up. We really like the cilantro. If you don't, you can leave it out. You can substitute some basil or parsley would be great. So I'm just gonna give this all a mix. Doesn't look amazing? They say you eat with your eyes. Well, it's gonna be in my belly soon.
Get in my belly!
Okay, shrimp going in. With all those little juices and everything. Give this all a toss. Fabulous. And you saw how easy that was to come together. Really the longest part, it probably takes me about 20 minutes to kind of prep the veggies, just kind of get everything ready. But you could be prepping your veggies while the farro's cooking. So it really does come together nice and easy. It's a nice light meal for any day of the week. Okay, so salad is done and I've got my official taste tester. So I'm gonna let me know what you think.
This one is,
Yeah.
I've been waiting for this one.
I know you watched the whole thing. So
Yeah,
looks
this
pretty good.
mango,
Mm-hmm.
some whatever that is.
Got some red pepper.
And here we go.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a great combo. The mango for sweetness, a little bit of crunch on the shrimp. That's
All right.
good.
You like it?
I love it.
Okay. Great, easy weeknight meal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, listen, if you enjoy these recipes, please share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to hit that bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Thanks so much. Love y'all.
I'm gonna eat this.
Oh, good.
Yeah.